And this concert footage is going to blow your mind. I know you're going to love it. We got a great interview with Nick Fiend, Mrs. Fiend, and all the gang from Alien Sex Fiend. And without further ado, I guess I should just get into it. Check this out, Alien Sex Fiend on Post.
The